Welcome back to Learning with the Passleys. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to create a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Are you ready to learn? Before we get into this lesson, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I am going to create two columns. So I'm going to call this column month and this column sales. So now I have a column that is for the month and one for sales. So let's say this is January. I'm going to write January. Now I'm going to left click and drag this down until I reach to December. Right? So this is one here. So now I'm just going to put in some figures in sales. So let's say on January sales is $100. I'm just putting in some figures each month. Now I am going to highlight all this information. So I'm going to click, then left click and drag down to highlight the information. Then I'm going to right click, select format cells. Why am I doing this? I am going to create some borders around the information that I am using. So I'm going to click on border, click on line style. So I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to click on it. So now I'm going to create the border here. This is how you create the border. So since I am dealing with money, I'm going to click on number, change from general to currency. So click on currency. So over here now I can see that we have two decimal places. I'm going to leave it like this and click on OK. So if you look up here now, you will see that we have our dollar sign along with two decimal places. Right? Yes. I'm going to put some color on our month and sale. So I'm going to highlight month and sale. Then click on home. Click on it, fill color. So now I have month and sales in blue. But the main thing that to represent I want to do here is to represent this information on a pie chart. What if we want to use January, February and March information on a pie chart? I'm going to click on January, then left click, drag down to highlight January, February and March. Then I'm going to click on insert. Over here now I am going to select pie chart. I can use the pie chart of my choice. However, I'm going to use the first pie chart. So I'm going to click on it. So now I have a pie chart. So here we have chart title. I am going to edit it. So I'm going to click on it to edit the title. So let's say this pie chart is, I'm going to give this pie chart a name. So I'm going to call this pie chart monthly sales. This is the name of my pie chart. I'm going to click in the center here, then right click, and I am going to select add data labels. So I'm going to click on add data labels because I want to put the figure on the pie chart. So I'm going to click on add data labels. So now I have the figure here. The figure is here. So I have for January, February and March. So what if I want to have percentage in my answer? I'm going to click in the center here. Click in the center. Then right click. Select format data label. So I'm going to click on it. So over here now, where's the format data label? I am going to select percentage. So I'm going to click on the box here. I'm going to check this box. So if you look over here now, only one of the month is now, one of the month has percentages because that's the only one that was highlighted. So I'm going to click on the others to get my percentage. So I'm going to right click again and select format data. So I'm going to click on percentage again. So I'm going to do it for this one as well. Right? You can do it in one go, right? But because I select one at a time, that's the reason I have to do it individually. Alright, so now I have the percentage and I have the figure. So monthly sales pie chart for January, February and March. This pie chart represents the information. So I can move the pie chart and bring it aside here. What if I want to use all the information on a pie chart? All I have to do is to highlight from January to December, right? So I'm going to highlight all information that I want to use in my second pie chart. So I'm going to click on insert, then click on pie chart. So I'm going to use the first pie chart again. So this is my second pie chart. So I'm going to click on chart title to change the name. So I'm going to call this pie chart monthly sales 2. So this is monthly sales 2. So I'm going to, so monthly sales 2. So now I'm going to click in the center of this pie chart because I want to label the data. I want to put the figures on this pie chart. So I'm going to right click, then I'm going to add data labels. So I'm going to click on data labels again. So now that I clicked on data label, I can see my figures here, right? So the pie chart is now showing me all the information on this table, right? From January to December. So now I have 2 pie charts, right? So monthly sales, and I have monthly sales 2 pie charts, right? And if I want to add percentage to this pie chart, I have to click in the center, then right click, then click on format data labels. So now over here now we'll see percentage. I'm going to check this percentage box, so I'm going to give it a tick. So if you look now, you will see the percentage on my pie chart, right? So this is how we create pie chart in Microsoft Excel. And this brings us to the end of another interesting and informative lesson. If you like this lesson, please like, share and subscribe.